Welcome everyone. Today I want to share very cool model. This is from a Little Bit Planet PlayStation game. It's a Sackboy, Viking Sackboy. I'm going to add a link below in video description so you can download this model for free and print or test print by yourself. I'm using Sapphire Pro PLA from a local store, Class Ulsan. Works really great. No rafts, no support. Print just like this. I'm printing in 0.2 layer height, 60 millimeters per second, 210 and 45 degrees bed. And it came out amazing. I really like this printer. Real correctly. Of course you can print much faster with this printer, but I'm testing my settings. I'm using Simplify 3D. Of course you can scale up this model and print much bigger. I don't know if you can scale down because you're going to have very thin sole and sheet, so maybe it's not good idea to scale down. Enjoy, subscribe, download, and happy 3D printing!